And the race is on. Diamond Duchess from the outside, cheerleader, state witness. It's now Diamond Duchess by about 2 lengths, followed by cheerleader in second. State witness racing third by about 2 lengths, Senorita Alessi. Moving up by the favorite, Royal Blood. Moving up Danori inside, supervised alongside Lakewood and Hurricane Ali second last. Number 5, No Boundaries, running at the tail of the field. Diamond Duchess by about 5 lengths, followed now by State Witness, cheerleader Senorita Alessi, and Royal Bloods running in fifth. As they race the last 500, Diamond Duchess by about 6 lengths now, Senorita Alessi. State Witness Danori inside, rushing up is Royal Blood as they race the final corner. Diamond Duchess by about 4 lengths, State Witness, Senorita Alessi, Royal Blood Danori inside, supervised, and nearing the finish line, Diamond Duchess by about 3 lengths, followed by State Witness, and finally from start to finish, Diamond Duchess. The State Witness, Royal Blood, Senorita Alessi, and supervised. Pentafecta.
Sinasabi ko, pagka pinabayaan sa una si Diamond Duchess.